Hi there, my name is Brandon and welcome to Optima, home of the Optima APOS Series product line. Now, you've configured your printer settings, added new discounts, new products, or worked really hard on designing a new keyboard, all on the PCProg software, but you now feel ready to update that APOS unit. Fortunately, it only takes less than a minute to do, so if you're near your PC or laptop, and of course have your APOS unit in front of you, I'll show you how to do that right after this. Okay, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer program changes from the Optima PCProg to Optima GoPOS. But before we do, on the APOS system, please select the GoPOS home button before sending a new program or program updates from PCProg. If the GoPOS home window opens up as you see here, then you know you're not in the middle of a transaction and it's safe to do the transfer. By doing this, it ensures the user is not in the middle of a transaction when changes are sent over. Sending changes while in the middle of a transaction could cause issues if the database is locked when committing the transaction. Now I'm just going to go back to the register screen where I have a few items selected so that I'm in the middle of a transaction. Now I'll press the GoPOS home button once again, but now you'll see a pop-up message appear that says, "Please finish the current transaction first." So if you see this, just finish the transaction, which I will do right now. Now that the transaction is completed, when I press the home button, it will now open the GoPOS home window, which tells me that it is now safe to send a program update from PCProg to GoPOS on your APOS unit. You can now go to your PC or laptop and launch PCProg. So let's say you added new modifiers or discounts or designed a new keyboard on PCProg. So for example, on the APOS unit, you can see the keyboard here. And on PCProg, if I select the keyboard module, you'll see a completely newly designed keyboard with images on some of the buttons. So I want to transfer these new settings and the keyboard design to my APOS unit. So in order to do that, on PCProg, select Send. Then select the drop-down menu labeled Send To. Then select POS device. This should already be selected as default. Now, under Primary IP, you need to enter the IP address of your APOS unit. If you've already entered the IP address before, it should have already auto-populated in this field because once you've entered it once, you should not have to enter it again. But if an IP address has never been entered, then it will be blank and show highlighted in red as you see here. So in order to get the IP address, you need to go to your APOS unit. On the APOS unit, select the home icon. Press and hold the Optima GoPOS logo on the top of the screen until you see a window pop up. Here you will see the GoPOS app version as well as the IP address. Copy the IP address exactly as you see it here with the dots. Now let's go back to our PC, enter that exact IP address into the primary IP address field which you see here in red. Select the Send Connect icon. And as you can see here, once you enter the IP address, the APOS system will appear. If you do not see the image of the APOS system appear, but instead you see a pop-up message saying error no connection device, then press OK. And instead of seeing the image of the APOS system, you will see an unknown device icon displayed and the send icon at the top right will still be disabled. To resolve this issue, please try the following steps. Number 1, go back to your APOS system and confirm the IP address and make sure that you typed it in properly. If you still can't connect, then on your APOS system, press the register button. Pressing on register restarts the TCP IP listener. Now press on the GoPOS home button and then hold and press the GoPOS logo at the top of the screen until the information pop-up window appears and then check the IP address once again. If you are 100% sure that you've entered the correct IP address but still can't connect, it could be that your APOS system is connected to a different network than your PC or laptop. Your PC or laptop and your APOS system need to be on the same network. Please check that your network settings are the same for both. If you still can't connect and there's no IP address displayed on GoPOS, please see Android Settings Wireless Networks in your APOS help documentation. Now let's continue on. Once you've entered the correct IP address and the image of your APOS unit appears, you can now select it. Select the Send Export icon on the very top right side. A pop-up message will appear saying, "This action will export data to the chosen device. Are you sure you wish to overwrite all data entries on this device?" So let's just select yes. The progress bar will start to show the transferring of the files, and once it's completed, you'll see a pop-up window that says "Transmission Successful." Press OK. Your APOS system should now be updated with the new settings you created from the PCProg program. So let's go back to the APOS unit. To see the changes reflected on your APOS unit, such as any visual changes to your keyboard like colors, product changes, or keyboard design, select the GoPOS Home button. Then select the Register button. And the keyboard will be refreshed, showing the new changes. And as I showed you before, you can see the keyboard I created in PCProg with all these new images. All other data is automatically refreshed. To see the other data you changed in other modules, select the GoPOS Home button. Then select the Maintenance Module icon. And here you can go into the modules you made changes to. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.